This is the real Tom Rose, and the thing they're trying to mess you up here with is they're creating a picture that looks like certain things are true but may not actually be true. So when they tell you that BD, the only thing we know for sure about this shape is that BD is parallel to AE. So I'm going to draw that on here. You can also assume that the lines on the drawing are straight lines, even though they don't mention that. So we have all straight lines, BD is parallel to AE, and they want to know which of the following are true. So now I can tell right off that they're trying to make it look as though A, B, and DE are parallel, which they may not be. So I'm going to just like in my head, I'm going to draw a new line for DE like this. I'm going to scratch this guy out. So my new DE is right here. And, right, in fact, let's just cross that out in my mind. So I'm allowed to do that because in the picture I wasn't told that DE was straight or right angle or any of that stuff. So I'm just making it a little bit more oblique so that I can see what is and is not parallel and which angles have the same measure, so I don't get confused. So let's say which of the following must be true. So the first one is BAD, so that's this angle, equals ADE, this angle. And you can see that once I moved that line out there that these are not the same. They tried to make it look like they're the same, but they're not the same, nor are we guaranteed that they would be the same. So this is not guaranteed to be true. How about BDA and DAE? Now these two are guaranteed to be true. So we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. And these are corresponding angles. So if this one measures x, this one will also measure x. So the second one is true. The third one says CBD and BDC. And they're asking, are those the same measure? Well, again, it looks like they're the same measure, but do we have any reason to believe they're the same measure? And if you want to, so that we weren't told anything about point C. So point C could be anywhere. So you can almost think like, what if point C were up here where I'm drawing it instead? Right? We haven't been told anything about C. So for all we know, that's what this could be looking like. So are these the same? No, this one is bigger than this one. So 3 is not true either. The only one that has to be true is 2, so that'll be the fourth answer choice.